Differentiation. Your lesson needs to include differentiation in some way or another. So when I would get the email when I was coordinating the demos and someone would say, does this student have special education students? I got a little nervous for them, I'm not gonna lie. Every class in New York City is gonna have learners on different levels. And it's really important that your plan reflects and anticipates that. If it doesn't, then you're probably not necessarily in the right field, okay? So you need to think about in your plan, how are you gonna support a student with an IEP? An IEP doesn't mean that they have a one-on-one para or they have severe learning needs. It might just mean that they need to hear a new vocabulary word a couple of times, right? So repeating that, posting what those words are, all important strategies that you can do. It might be that you have a second worksheet for when you see that one student just blow through the first worksheet that you gave, all right? You pull that second worksheet out of your bag, all those people standing in the back observing your lesson says, oh, they understand the urgency, they understand that the kids are on different levels. You're gonna have students that are acquiring English at some level in your room. So again, highlighting what the vocabulary is helps all learners. Throw that into the beginning of your plan, all right? You're also gonna have students that process information visually. You're gonna have students that learn things by doing it. You're gonna have students that learn it by hearing it. How do you account for those in your plan, all right? That'll happen in every single room.